Anxiety is one of the prime emotions because it is related to our survival and safety in this world. Anxiety is something many of us face, often more frequently than we'd like. It's that uneasy feeling, the racing heart, the sweaty palms, and the swirling thoughts that can make you feel overwhelmed. But don't worry, you're not alone, and there are many ways to manage anxiety effectively. In this guide, we'll explore mindfulness, breathing exercises, and grounding techniques to help you feel better. Let's dive in. Understanding anxiety. Before we jump into the solutions, it's important to understand what anxiety is. Anxiety is your body's natural response to stress. It's a feeling of fear or apprehension about what's to come. It could be the first day of school, going to a job interview, or giving a speech. While a certain level of anxiety is normal and even helpful, excessive anxiety can interfere with your daily life. Mindfulness, being present in the moment. Mindfulness is all about staying in the present moment. It's about being aware of where you are and what you're doing without being overly reactive or overwhelmed by what's happening around you. Practicing mindfulness can help you break the cycle of anxiety by keeping you grounded in the here and now. How to practice mindfulness. Start with your breath. Find a quiet place, sit comfortably, and close your eyes. Take a deep breath in through your nose and slowly exhale through your mouth. Focus on the sensation of your breath. Feel the air filling your lungs and then leaving your body. Do this for a few minutes each day. Mindful observation. Pick an object in your environment, like a flower or a candle. Spend a few minutes just observing it. Notice the colors, shapes, and textures. This practice can help you stay present and focused. Body scan. Lie down or sit comfortably. Close your eyes and slowly bring your attention to different parts of your body, starting from your toes and moving up to your head. Notice any sensations you feel without judgment. This helps you connect with your body and relax. Mindful eating. During a meal, take the time to really taste and enjoy your food. Notice the flavors, textures, and aromas. This practice not only helps with mindfulness, but can also improve your relationship with food. Breathing exercises. Calm your mind and body. They're a simple yet effective way to bring tranquility into your daily life. Breathing exercises are a powerful way to manage anxiety. They can be done anywhere, anytime, and require no special equipment. They can help calm your mind, reduce stress, and improve your overall sense of well-being. By focusing on your breath, you can create a sense of inner peace. Here are some effective breathing techniques. Deep breathing. This method is particularly useful for grounding yourself in the present moment. Deep breathing is one of the simplest yet most effective ways to calm your mind. It helps to oxygenate your blood and can instantly reduce feelings of stress. Find a comfortable position. Sit or lie down in a comfortable position. Make sure your back is straight to allow for full lung expansion. Inhale deeply. Breathe in slowly through your nose, allowing your chest and lower belly to rise as you fill your lungs. Feel the air filling your body. Hold your breath. Hold your breath for a count of 4. This pause allows the oxygen to be absorbed into your bloodstream. Exhale slowly. Exhale slowly through your mouth, making a whooshing sound as you release all the air from your lungs. Let go of any tension. Repeat. Repeat this process for 5 to 10 minutes. Box breathing. This technique is excellent for creating a rhythm and balance in your breathing. Box breathing is a simple technique that can help you regain focus and calm. It is often used by athletes and military personnel to maintain composure. Inhale. Breathe in through your nose for a count of 4. Visualize the air filling your lungs and energizing your body. Hold your breath for a count of 4. This brief pause helps to center your mind. Exhale. Exhale slowly through your mouth for a count of 4. Release any stress or negative thoughts with your breath. Hold your breath again for a count of 4. This final hold completes the cycle and prepares you for the next breath. Repeat the cycle several times. 4-7-8 breathing. This technique is particularly effective for reducing anxiety and promoting relaxation. This technique is great for reducing anxiety and helping you relax. It can be especially useful before bedtime to help you unwind. Inhale, breathing quietly through your nose for a count of 4. Feel the calmness entering your body. Hold your breath for a count of 7. This longer hold allows for deeper relaxation. Exhale completely through your mouth for a count of 8. Let go of all the air and any remaining tension. Repeat the cycle 3 to 4 times. With each cycle, feel yourself becoming more relaxed and at peace. Grounding techniques. Staying connected to the present. In our fast-paced world, it's easy to get lost in the chaos and forget to stay connected to the here and now. Grounding techniques are strategies that help you stay connected to the present moment. They are essential tools for maintaining mental clarity and emotional balance. They can be particularly helpful when you're feeling overwhelmed by anxiety. These techniques can bring you back to a state of calm and control. Here are some grounding techniques you can try. 5-4-3-2-1 technique. This method engages all your senses to anchor you in the present. This is a simple yet powerful technique to help you focus on the present moment. It can be done anywhere, anytime you need to regain your composure. Look around. Notice 5 things you can see. Take your time to really observe each item. Listen. Notice 4 things you can hear. Pay attention to the subtle sounds around you. Touch. Notice 3 things you can touch. Feel the textures and temperatures of these objects. Smell. Notice 2 things you can smell. Inhale deeply and appreciate the scents. Taste. Notice 1 thing you can taste. Savor the flavor and the sensation it brings. Grounding through sensation. Using your senses to ground yourself can be very effective. It helps you to reconnect with your body and the environment around you. Touch. Hold on to an object like a stress ball or a piece of fabric. This can provide a tactile distraction from anxious thoughts. Notice its texture, temperature, and weight. Focus on these details to bring your mind back to the present. Sound. Listen to calming music or nature sounds. Let the soothing sounds wash over you and ease your mind. Focus on the different sounds you hear. Try to pick out individual instruments or elements in the soundscape. Scent. Use a scented lotion or essential oil. Aromatherapy can be a powerful grounding tool. Focus on the smell and how it makes you feel. Notice any memories or emotions the scent evokes. Physical grounding. Physical activity can help you stay grounded and present. It releases endorphins and helps reduce stress. Movement. Engage in a physical activity like walking, jogging, or yoga. Feel the rhythm of your movements. Focus on how your body feels as it moves. Notice the sensations in your muscles and joints. Stretching. Do some gentle stretching exercises. This can help release tension and improve flexibility. Pay attention to how your muscles feel as they stretch and relax. Breathe deeply and slowly. Progressive muscle relaxation. This involves tensing and then slowly releasing different muscle groups. It can be a great way to reduce physical stress. Start from your toes and work your way up to your head. Notice the difference in how your body feels before and after. Everyday examples and tips for managing anxiety. Let's bring it all together with some everyday examples and tips that you can easily incorporate into your daily life. Imagine you're feeling anxious at work, at home, or even in a social situation. These feelings can be overwhelming, but there are practical steps you can take to manage them effectively. Here's what you can do. At work, take a breathing break. Step away from your desk for a few minutes. This simple act can help reset your mind and reduce anxiety. Find a quiet spot, close your eyes, and practice deep breathing or box breathing. Inhale deeply for 4 counts, hold for 4, exhale for 4, and hold again for 4. Repeat this cycle a few times. Mindful walking. Go for a short walk outside. This not only gives you a break from your work environment, but also allows you to connect with nature. Focus on the sensation of your feet touching the ground and the sights and sounds around you. Notice the rustling leaves, the chirping birds, and the fresh air. Desk grounding. Keep a stress ball or a small object on your desk. This can serve as a tactile reminder to stay grounded. When you feel anxious, hold it and focus on its texture and shape. Notice the way it feels in your hand, the pressure you apply, and how it responds. At home, create a relaxing space. Dedicate a corner of your home to relaxation. This space should be free from distractions and filled with items that bring you comfort. Include things that help you feel calm, like soft pillows, a cozy blanket, or calming scents. You might also add some soft lighting or soothing music. Practice mindfulness. Spend a few minutes each day practicing mindfulness. This can help you stay present and reduce anxiety. You can do this while drinking your morning coffee or tea. Take this time to really savor the moment. Focus on the taste, the warmth, and the aroma. Notice how the cup feels in your hands and the steam rising from the drink. Grounding through sensation. When feeling anxious, hold on to a comforting object like a soft toy or a piece of fabric. This can help you feel more secure and grounded. Focus on how it feels in your hand. Notice the texture, the weight, and the comfort it brings. In social situations, breathing exercises. Before entering a social situation, take a few deep breaths to calm your nerves. This can help you feel more centered and prepared. Grounding techniques. If you start feeling anxious, use the 5-4-3-2-1 technique to bring your focus back to the present moment. Identify 5 things you can see, 4 things you can touch, 3 things you can hear, 2 things you can smell, and 1 thing you can taste. Mindful interaction. When talking to someone, focus on their words and facial expressions. This helps you stay present and engaged in the conversation, making it easier to connect with others. This helps you stay present and engaged in the conversation. Notice their tone of voice, their body language, and the emotions they are expressing. This can make your interactions more meaningful and less anxiety-inducing. Additional tips for managing anxiety. Stay active. Regular exercise can help reduce anxiety. Find an activity you enjoy, like dancing, swimming, or cycling. Eat well. A balanced diet can have a positive impact on your mental health. Avoid excessive caffeine and sugar, which can increase anxiety. Sleep well. Make sure you get enough sleep. Establish a bedtime routine to help you relax before bed. Stay connected. Talk to friends or family members about how you're feeling. Sometimes just sharing your thoughts can make a big difference. Seek professional help. If your anxiety is overwhelming and affecting your daily life, don't hesitate to seek help from a mental health professional. Therapy and medication can be very effective. Conclusion. Managing anxiety is a journey, and it's important to find what works best for you. Mindfulness, breathing exercises, and grounding techniques are powerful tools that can help you stay calm and present. Remember, it's okay to feel anxious sometimes, but with the right strategies, you can take control and feel better. Practice these techniques regularly, and soon you'll find that you have more control over your anxiety. Stay patient and kind to yourself, and keep exploring different methods until you find the ones that resonate with you the most. You've got this.